Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essential prerequisites: solution loaded and no active debug session. Open your project's properties or launch settings. JSON now. This is where Visual Studio sets HTTP ports. You do this because the port is assigned at launch and must be changed before the server starts. Once done, locate the IIS Express profile or application URL entry in launch settings. JSON. Make sure to save a copy of the original values. This prevents accidental conflicts and helps you revert quickly if the new port collides. You now perform the core change. Modify the application URL or IIS Express binding to a free port, for example http://localhost 5001, and save the file. If using IIS Express, additionally edit vs/config/application host. Config. Update the binding information port value so the web server and IDE agree. Make sure to check for conflicts by running netstat or checking Task Manager. This explains why a port can fail. Once updated, rebuild the project so Visual Studio picks up configuration changes and avoids cached launch settings. You finish by starting debugging and verifying the browser targets the new localhost port and that responses return 200 OK. If you see binding errors, 403, or the app won't start, make sure application host. Config and launch settings. JSON match and verify the firewall isn't blocking the port. You can run netstat ono to find processes using the port, then stop or reassign them. Running Visual Studio as administrator sometimes resolves permission binding issues. Once resolved, restart VS and rerun to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.